Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel useNfix. Today we're checking out the Betway scores and news apps, your go-to app for live sports scores, updates and news. I'll show you how to use it step by step. Let's get started. The Betway scores and news app keeps you updated with live scores, match statistics and breaking sports news. It covers a variety of sports like football, cricket, basketball, tennis and more. Whether you want a real-time updates, follow your favorite teams or check league standings, this app has you covered. Now to use it, first you need to go to the App Store and download your app. So search Betway scores at the top, and after this icon pops up, tap on that. Then you'll see the install option right there. So tap on install and then open up your app. Once opened up, create an account using your email or social login. Select your favorite sports, teams and leagues to personalize updates and notifications. On the home screen, you can see featured matches, top news and trending sports right here. Then check live scores for ongoing matches. Here at the bottom you have the live tab. Tap on that to see the live scores. Access real-time match commentary and stats. Track selected teams and get notifications on the matches, and stay updated with the latest sports news, articles and videos. Now to use notifications and alerts, go to settings right from here on the three horizontal bars. Go on settings and go to the notifications and turn your notifications on. Then choose your favorite sports, leagues and teams. Enable alerts for live scores, match results and breaking news to never miss updates. For extra features, match lineups and stats, checking starting players, team stats and game insight. Follow rankings and league tables in real time. In supported regions, access Betway betting features directly. And that is how you can use the Betway scores and news app. Keep up with the live sports, track your favorite teams and stay informed wherever you are. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more tutorials. Thank you for watching. Bye.